Hey guys, here's some things to consider when planning your bar area in or kitchen renovation. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have a little bar area tied into the end of a kitchen we just renovated. And there's a couple of unique things about this. And one thing I want to talk about first is when you're planning the location of your bar, be specific about what it needs to service, what areas. So for example, here, we've located this bar area very close to the dining room as well as to the living room. And this gives people a chance to easily get in, grab a drink, and get back to their lounging, relaxing, or eating, whatever that might be. Also, when designing your wine rack, and I love this wine rack, it's very practical, but also it's a great focal point in the kitchen, very tastefully done, I love it. Another nice detail here is we have some glass doors on the upper cabinetry. We have some lighting to provide backlighting and showcase some of the stemware in there. So when you think about your bar area, be smart about where it's located and make it pop out as something remarkable in your home. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. See you next time.